This is Sopan. I welcome back to you on Cognizant YouTube channel. I decided to create this video because our students are getting problems while solving the activities of English workbook which I just received to us. If you have come first time on this channel, subscribe to Cognizant YouTube channel for getting such important videos. Today we are going to see how to speak about peacock in this session. This is peacock. Peafowl is also known as peacock. Peafowl is native to Southeast Asia, India and Pakistan. They were brought to Europe long ago, can acclimatize to colder order. There are two species of peacock, the Asiatic peacock or the Congo peacock. Congo peacock is the only member of peasant family that originated outside Asia. This is male peacock. The male peacock can have up to 150 brightly colored feathers on its tail, converts for centuries peacock. Recently, peacock have become more popular in parks and gardens. Peacocks are large, colorful peasants known for their indecent tails, its distinctive tail feathers. They like to eat any kind of green shoots, flower, veggies and grass, as well as wheat, cracked corn or wild game feed. In 1963, the peacock was declared the national bird of India because of its rich religious and legendary involvement in Indian traditions. This is peacock. This is the national bird of India. It has a beautiful feathers. It is an attractive bird. Hunting of this bird is strictly prohibited in India because it is national bird of India. Peacock is assumed as one of the auspicious bird in Indian culture. Look to the peacock in this video. It has So friends, peacock is our national bird. Taking care of bird is everyone's responsibility. If you find someone while doing hunting of peacock, then you inform to police. Look to the peacock in this video. It has spread its beautiful feathers.